The time has come to check out the mobile app for Conference Central. We pre-built one for Android. And if you have an Android device, you can also try it out on that device. Please see the instructor notes. This app will work towards a Conference Central instance hosted by Udacity. But remember, since you used cloud endpoints when you developed Conference Central, you could also make this app work if you recompile it towards your Conference Central instance. So here is the Udacity Conference Central app, and when I select it, I need to select the user account. So I select one here. After that, I immediately get to the main screen, which displays all the conferences that have been registered. So here you can see all the conferences created in the Conference Central instance hosted by Udacity. Should a user add a conference using the web browser interface, for example, they would also show up here, since the Android device and the web browser using the Cloud Endpoints API to talk to the Conference Central server. When I select a conference, for example, the power of cron jobs, I can also see the details for the conference. I can also see the max attendees and that there are 2 seats left which are available. If I click register, I get registered to the conference and I can see which conferences I'm registered in by this check mark on the right. And if I go back to the conference details, you can now see that the seats available have been decremented to 1. Now I have the option to unregister from a conference, and as you can see, when I do that, this mark disappears and again the available seats are 2. And that's the power of cloud endpoints. When you create your API in this way, you can access your server application from any device. Let's look in a little bit more detail on how it works.